In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a PDF searchable in Foxit, utilizing the Optical Character Recognition, or OCR, feature. We'll go through it step by step, ensuring your PDFs are not only viewable but interactive, allowing you to search and select text within them. To begin, you'll want to open your scanned or image-based PDF in Foxit PDF editor. This is a crucial starting point because OCR can only work its magic on the files you have open in this program. As you launch the Foxit PDF editor, ensure that the PDF in question is ready to go. Next, you'll navigate to the Convert tab, where you'll find the Recognize Text option. This is where the transformation of your static PDF into a dynamic, searchable document begins. Once you click on Recognize Text, you'll be prompted with a dialog box. Here, you have the choice to apply OCR to the current file, or, if you prefer, to select a specific range of pages. This flexibility is handy, particularly if you're working with a large document and only need certain sections to be searchable. In the Recognize Text dialog, you'll need to decide the page range you wish to OCR. You can choose to apply OCR to all pages or just a subset, depending on your needs. Simply select the option that best suits your project to proceed further. Once you've selected the page range, the next step is to choose the language or languages present in your document. Accurate language selection is important, as it ensures the OCR process correctly interprets the text in your file. With the correct language set, the software can better recognize characters and improve the saved results' accuracy. Now, it's time to determine the output type. You have two options here. You can select Searchable Text Image, which retains the image's original appearance while adding an invisible text layer on top. This option enables text search and selection without altering how your document looks. Alternatively, you can opt for Editable Text, which converts the text within your PDF into a format that you can edit directly. This is particularly useful if you need to make alterations to the text itself. Once your selections are made, click the OK or Start button to initiate the OCR process. A progress bar will appear, giving you a visual indicator of how the process is unfolding. Depending on the length and complexity of your document, this might take a little while, so be patient as Foxit works to recognize and convert your text. After the OCR process is completed, it's essential to save your document. Hit that Save button to ensure all the changes are stored. At this stage, your PDF should now be searchable. You can use the search function, typically invoked with Ctrl+F, to find specific terms or select text throughout the document. And that's it. You've successfully made your PDF searchable in Foxit PDF editor, opening up a world of usability options for your document.